So students, today we will start learning how to create an HTML document in Notepad. This is our Notepad window. Now how to open this Notepad window? First of all, we will click on Start. Then in the search option, you can write Notepad and click on this search button. You will find out the Notepad software. Otherwise in the desktop also it is available, or in your start menu you will find it. You double click this. So this is our Notepad. Just click this, double click. This has been enlarged, means maximize. So now let's start HTML document. So our first code is HTML. Enter. Our second code is head. Our third tag is title. After the title we will write our first sentence, that is title of the web page. Title of the web page. So this is done. Now we will close our last code, that is title / title. Now see one thing, all of you, the first code I typed with capital letter TITLE, but the ending one I wrote in small letter. It will not show any error in the program. So press enter. Now we are going to close head / head. So here also written in small letter, it will also not show any error. Now the main part of your document we will start, that is the body tag. So body tag written. Now we will start a simple sentence. We will write the main content of the HTML the main content of the HTML document is written here alone with the attributes which enhances the appearance of a web page. So here I finish my sentence. Now how to close the HTML document? So same thing, the last code is body, so we are going to close it. So after writing the main lines, the sentence, we are going to close the body tag. So here we have used /body. Press enter. Now students, we will close what is left. We have closed the head, closed the title, but the HTML is not closed. So we will close now HTML. So this our document is complete. Now how to save? Click on file, save as. You write here the file name. So what is the file name? Web page, suppose web page dot html. So dot html is the syntax of the HTML document. So save it, click on save. Our document is saved. Minimize it. Now can you see, students, the web page is Internet Explorer of web page. Double click this one. So this is our HTML document. Now I can see one error in this document, that is this HTML inside this angular bracket is displaying. This means it has one error. So how to resolve it? Let's go to our notepad. Now let's see what is the problem. So here I think there is one space. There must not be any space in between the angular brackets or angle brackets. So this was one error. So after resolving the error, click on file, just save, minimize it. You can refresh it, right click, refresh. There is one option, refresh. It has been refreshed. Now see, students, the error has disappeared. So this is the way to create your HTML document. So one more thing I want to discuss. This is the most simplest type of document. Now how to add break tag? The main content of HTML document is, after is, let's add BR tag, BR. So one BR tag added here. So what is the use of BR tag? It's same as pressing the enter key, means it will display your, after the BR tag, whatever sentence is written, that will go to the next line. Now let's see, minimize it, double click your Internet Explorer. So it is some other document. This is web page. So can you see, all of you, this BR after, I wrote BR after is, so the next line is displaying in the next, means in the next line it is displaying. So something more let's add. So we are going to add something more, like we will add font size. Font size. So let's add font size, font space size equal to 4 space color equal to blue. So see here, I didn't apply any inverted commas, but still it's correct. Okay, you can apply inverted commas, then also it will be correct. Then file, save, minimize it. Now open the Internet Explorer. So what we have find, our text, our font size have become 4 and the text have become blue in color, but we can't see any change in the font size. Let's make it quite bigger. Let's make it 10 size. Then file, save, minimize it, right click, refresh. So have you seen the size now, all of you? So this is the way how to create an HTML document. So I will give few more videos regarding HTML. Thank you.